Maddie, what do you
some,
want?
Maddie?
You want some applesauce? Applesauce? How do you ask mommy? No, not like that. You say applesauce. She's funny, huh? Applesauce, more applesauce?
How much time does that movie take?
Put that silly tongue away. A long time, Kenzo.
A long time.
Hey, mother.
Hey, Daddy.
I'm just small in it. Would you make it bigger? Hold me to your picture.
What about your ice cream? You're not going to eat your ice cream?
Oh, Kenzo.
After the smile for part of the picture.
Hey. Who's that? Maddie, who's behind you? You? What are you saying?
Hide you? Is Kenzo hiding behind you?
Kenzo. Say hi, Kenzo.
Maddie, can you blow Mama a... Aww. Can you blow Mama a kiss? I love you guys. I love you. What was that noise?
Maddie, Maddie, you want to do your famous Iron Man?
Deep voice.
Call the Exorcist.
Deep voice.
Need an O.
Deep voice, huh, Kenzo?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat your ice cream, Maddie?
But if you're not eating it, then the rest of it, you're not eating it.
That's right. Kenzo's gonna eat it if you're not gonna eat it, Maddie. Ah! Get that tongue in. Put that tongue in, you silly girl. Ice cream.
My duty to say your favorite Iron Man?
Uh-oh.
Maddie, no hitting.
The devil like.
What?
There's your little boy.
I know, she's playing with you.
Your favorite Iron Man? Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Iron Man. You're not eating Iron Man. You're not eating That's why you're not eating it. Stop now. If you're not eating